How to transfer money from Stripe to bank account. If you're running an online business, managing client payments, or simply selling digital products, chances are you've heard of Stripe. Now, Stripe is one of the most widely used payment processors in the world, and one of its best features is how easy it makes transferring your money. So, what you're going to do is when you first sign up for Stripe, you'll need to link your bank account during the setup process. Now, in the case you haven't done that, what you can basically do is you can go over to your Stripe, and in your Stripe, what it does is it brings you here to the onboarding. And this is basically to activate your account. And obviously, when it comes to activating your account, what you're going to want to do is you're going to verify your business and everything. After all of that is done, you can go ahead and add your bank. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and verify a business, click on continue. Once you do that, you're going to give in your business details, your public details, and then finally, you're going to be able to add your bank account. So basically, once you have done that, what you're going to do is you're basically going to go over ahead to your Stripe dashboard. Okay, so simply add your bank account from this section. You're going to come here. They're going to ask you your bank details. It could be Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Capital One, Navy Federal, US Bank, and so on. So any one of these banks could be your bank. So what you're going to do from here on out is you're basically going to go over to your Stripe. And once you're in your Stripe, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your payments, and you can either go ahead and transfer your transactions from there, or what you can basically do is just go over to your billing section, go over to your general, finance that you have generated. And what you can do is you can make a payment directly to your bank account through the pay link. Okay. And to create a pay link like that, what you can do is just create a payout. Okay. Come over here to payments, click on create payment, and you can either create a payment link directly to your bank or create an invoice that can go direct to your bank. And that is pretty much about it. That is how easy and simple it is to go ahead and do a Stripe to bank transfer. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.